Now, we can talk of one of the easiest way to get subscribers without talking about one of the easiest way to get 4,000 watch hour. 4,000 watch hour is now becoming the major issue why a lot of people are not getting monetized. A lot of people have actually joined my Telegram group to get 1,000 subscribers. A lot of people have, even from my comment section, they've gotten 1,500, even 2,000 subscribers. But 4,000 watch hour, what's up with 4,000 watch hour? Why am I not getting the 4,000 watch hour? Why is 4,000 watch hour becoming difficult? Like I will always say, there is nothing, as far as I'm concerned, there is nothing that is difficult on this YouTube street except you're not intentional about it. Now, I'm going to be telling you guys the sweetest, quickest, easiest way to get 4,000 watch hour. And we are going to be talking as brothers and sisters because I want us to be talking like one, right? If you have any video you also want me to film for you, feel free to drop it for me in the comment section, because as I watch, I will definitely film for you. Now, for you to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, the most important thing I will advise you to do is, if you're doing Restream.io or you are doing your normal silent live stream, make sure that you put all of them inside one playlist. Put all of them, I repeat, put all of them inside one playlist. Now, once you put all of them inside one playlist, what are you supposed to do? Including your long form videos, right? You are going to be streaming your videos. Now, when I mean streaming your videos, when you want to share your video link to your family and friend, you can go ahead to share the playlist link. Now, the beautiful part about the playlist as well is, when people are coming to your channel to watch your videos on your channel, you can always recommend a playlist link in the description of your video. And in all of the video, always ensure to tell people that, oh, check out the playlist in the comment section. Now, apart from that, small YouTubers can come together. You come together as small YouTubers, and what do? You help each other to stream your playlists. You guys know that on this channel we don't gatekeep. For disclaimers, feel free to carry out your research, because I will always tell you to feel free to carry out your research. We don't gatekeep here. Now, get a group of small content creators and tell yourself, okay, we are going to be helping each other to stream. So if we stream this person's channel today, we stream this person's on tomorrow. That is one of the things that actually helped me here as well. If you check in my videos, you will still see my live streams. You will still see my playlists that I put them in. And what do? We help each other. I remember that time I have a friend in India that is helping me to stream my playlist. You understand? I also have another friend in in Germany that was helping me to stream my playlist. I also have to tell my colleagues in my office to help me stream my playlist. I also created another account for me to use that particular account to stream my playlist. Now, if you stream, this person stream, that person stream, you have friends, your TV is also streaming, your laptop is also streaming. There is no way you're not going to be meeting up with a 4,000 watch hour. And it is going to be like a strong engagement because it is the playlist that you are streaming. But one of the major problems I find out is a lot of people even go live streaming without creating a playlist. They just live stream and just leave it there. And you think that maybe your 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours live stream can actually be able to accumulate it. And if you want to get this same 4,000 watch hour, make sure that if you're streaming 10 hours, you end the live stream and you start streaming again another 10 hours. Now you're going to be doing it back to back. You are not doing it like, oh, I do 10 hours today, I'll wait to another next tomorrow or 4 days. You need to have a dedicated phone. After 10 hours, you come back again and stream. Even if you want to do it with your phone, you can do what is called silent live stream. I did a video about silent live stream. I don't know if this particular video will go up first or that video will go up first. But if this eventually goes up first, be expecting that video for that video to come up. And when you live stream back to back, or you do silent live stream back to back, or you restream back to back, whichever method you want to use, you put them in a playlist. It will help you. So if you're still here, you're looking for 4,000 watch hour, you have not created playlist, you are wrong. If you're still here, you're looking for 4,000 watch hour, you don't have small YouTubers like you as well to be able to come together, put your head together so that you can actually help yourself to get the 4,000 watch hour, you are wrong. Because at the end of the day, you can't do it alone. You need someone to help you. You need YouTubers to help you. That's why I always said it is good for us to what? Learn to connect with each other. Learn to connect with each other. 4,000 watch hour is not difficult. Now, if you feel you can't even do this and you want to go with your long form videos, what do? Go to your studio. Once you go to your YouTube studio, check your analytics. Now, once you check your analytics, what are you going to check next? Check your average viewer duration. Is it 2 minutes? Is it 3 minutes? Is it 4 minutes? Is it 5 minutes? Depending on the average viewer duration that you have, you are going to use that particular average viewer duration and calculate it, divide it by 4,000 watch hours. It is going to give you how many views that you're going to be getting. Now, if your own is 80,000 views, you have to calculate how many videos do I need to upload to meet up my 4,000 watch hour. Now you now start working towards those videos and start putting out long form videos. But in putting out long form videos, make sure those videos are engaging, because you don't come and just put out long form videos to people and at the end of the day, those videos are not engaging. They will not watch. And the moment they are not watching, you are still not going to be getting the 4,000 watch hour. For someone that wants to get 4,000 watch hour, always learn to communicate, make friends in the comment section. It will definitely help you. Make friends from the Telegram group. I made my own friends from the Telegram group. And even till today, we still support each other on YouTube, right? And they were able to help me stream my playlist. And I was able to meet up my 4,000 watch hour in this particular channel. You get? So when you go to the Telegram group, make friends. For those ones that will be like, oh, do you have a Telegram group? I don't even know about the Telegram group. Where can I get the Telegram group? It is in my bio. The link is in my bio. So click on the link in my bio. It will take you to the Telegram group. And then you support each other, get to 1,000 subscribers. And then you communicate with people, become family and friends. Tell them, which location are you? Are you in the US? Are you in this country? Help me stream my playlist, and I will also help you stream your playlist. So that at the end of the day, we can all achieve what we are looking for. If you are still in doubt, you don't even know what to do, you're still confused, will I still make it on this YouTube street? I don't even know what to do. Come for consultation. This is all we're personally going to your channel to see what we can do for you, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, the channel can actually be successful. You can also monitor. If you're even giving up, look for someone to talk to. Someone like us, with just $10, you can talk to us. Come and talk. Let's talk. You understand? And at the end of the day, we are going to be fruitful. Check the description, faithanaja3195@gmail.com. The mail is there. Check the link in my bio as well. The mail is also attached to my bio. Send us a mail, get a coaching section, and thank me later. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do add the quality in my videos. I'm going to be seeing back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.